Hi, I'm Rebecca Bailey Sandlin, and I wrote the book called 5-Star Recipes and Some That Should Be. When I made this book, I wanted to make it for my family and friends as a Christmas present. And basically, I rated my recipe box and took out all the 5-star recipes and the 4 stars that probably should be 5-star recipes and put it in the book. The way I rated my recipes is I gave it 1 star if I made it one time. I gave it 2 stars if we liked the recipe. We didn't keep the 1-star recipes, we just kept that were 2 or higher. And if it got 3 stars, that means I made the recipe more than 1 time, so I made it again. And it gets 4 stars if somebody gives it a compliment. And then if they ask me for the recipe, it gets a 5-star rating. I figured that 5 stars, if somebody wants my recipe, that is the ultimate compliment to how good the dish is. So that's my 5-star rating. Today, I'm going to be making my chicken salad recipe. And here it is. It yields 12 servings, but today I'm going to be making a double portion because I have a tea party that I'm going to serve my chicken salad at. So we're going to make the chicken salad out of the recipe here in the book. So let's get ready. First thing we need to do is wash our chicken breast. And look, you need 8 chicken breasts, but look at the size of that. Isn't that beautiful? We're just going to wash this up. I've got several of them that I've already washed. Make sure that we get any debris off that might be good, like blood spots. But go ahead and leave the fat on. There's just a little bit of fat with this chicken breast. Some of them have more fat on them. But just leave that because we're going to boil our chicken for a while. Let me wash my hands and we'll get started.
Cover your chicken with water and simmer until tender, about 15-20 minutes.
So now we have this all shredded up. Doesn't that look beautiful? It's going to make a wonderful chicken salad. We'll put that in the bowl. And we have a few more chicken breasts to go. And after that, we'll start adding our ingredients to put this chicken salad together.
After shredding your chicken, mix in the seasonings, grapes, walnuts, and mayonnaise. Use a large spoon and mix it thoroughly.
There, we've just about got all the ingredients added to the chicken and it's all tossed together. Isn't that beautiful? I guarantee that when I serve this to my friends tomorrow at my tea party, that they're gonna want the recipe. This is a 5-star recipe. It looks beautiful, but it tastes even better. And I hope you will enjoy it. I hope you will buy my book. It's called 5-Star Recipes and Some That Should Be by Rebecca Bailey Sandlin. You can find it on Amazon. Thank you and have a wonderful day. God bless you something special today.